Hey y'all, in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning the glass door on my stove. And I'm going to use one product to do it that I already have in my pantry to save money and time. We're going to use this product that's been around for years to get our glass clear on our stove. Let me show you what we're doing. Now y'all, look how dirty that is. We're going to put this on it. Okay, y'all. Today we're going to do an experiment to clean our glass on our oven door. I'm going to make a paste out of baking soda. And we're going to see if this will clean my oven door. Just like that. Now y'all, look how dirty that is. We're going to put this on it. And we're going to smear that on there like this. And coat it real good. And we're going to use this homemade scrubby that we made. I've got a video showing you how to make these. And we're just going to smear it on there with it a little better. And try to get it coated. And now we're going to let that soak for around 15 minutes. It's been soaking for around 10 minutes. So now we're going to scrub it. We're just going to check it right there and see how it looks. Oh gosh, y'all. Can you believe that? That was so dirty. Look what just plain baking soda can do for your oven door. I never knew that. Okay, I went ahead and covered that spot back up. And we're going to let it keep sitting there soaking for around another 10 to 15 minutes. And check it. Now we're going to scrub it. Now we're going to use this white washcloth so we can see what color it's getting off of our stove. Look at that. And you can tell how that baking soda is drying up. So now we gotta wet this and get it up. Look at the color that it turned your baking soda. It like absorbed the stain off of the glass. Okay, now I'm going to use a wet washcloth. And try to get that up. Gosh, I can't believe that. So if any of y'all have an oven with your glass all stained up, I think this video right here proves you can take baking soda and get your glass back clear. Okay, y'all. That's our video on cleaning an oven glass door with plain old baking soda. Make it into a paste, cover your glass, let it soak for around 20 minutes, and look at that. Keeping it real around here, y'all. Using what we have to clean, to cook, and to make different kind of pantry staples. Use what you got to save money.